Okay, right, today we're going to be looking at addition. Okay, we've done multiplication and division, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend just a bit of time looking at just addition. Okay, we're going to be looking at adding 3 digits by 3 digits, and then we'll move on to adding 4 digits by 3 digits, and then finally 4 digits by 4 digits. Now, starting off very relatively simple, we're going to have some exchanges going on, so we're moving sort of over the place value. So we're going to sort of see how we're going to do it. So let's start off with the first one. So we're going to use column addition today. So we're going to write it in a column. Now, remember with addition, it doesn't matter what number goes on top, okay, because you're adding. Okay, if you're subtracting, you'd always have the top number, the biggest number on top. Okay, but it doesn't matter when you're adding. So basically, all you're going to do, okay, is it just comes down to place value. Okay, so you've got your ones, your tens, and your hundreds. So all you do, okay, is you add your ones column together, you add your tens column together, and you add your hundreds column together. Okay, let's just make sure you have a notepad and pen. If you don't at the moment, just go and grab one so you can just go along with me. So let's start on the ones. So we're going to start by adding 6 and 7. So 6 add 7 would give me 13. So I've got my 3. Now my tens needs to move over into the tens column. Okay, so I'm going to put it just below so it reminds me that I need to add it. Okay, right, next one I'm going to add my tens. So 5 add 6, well it would be 50 add 60, but I'm just going to represent it as 5 add 6 for the time being because you know that it's the tens column. So 5 add 6 would give me 11, add the 1 would give me 12. So remember that's 120. So that 100 I've got needs to be carried over to the hundreds column. Okay, so now I've got the hundreds column. Okay, so I'm going to add the hundreds. So remember that's 400, add 300, add 100. But we're just going to redo it like 4 add 3 add 1. Make it easy for ourselves. That's the best possible thing in maths. Hey, make it nice and easy for yourself. So 4 add 3 gives me 7. Add the 1 gives me 8. Okay, 823. So if you write that in, okay, just go through again, just double checking. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay, right. That looks like it's all right. Yep, 13. Yep, 12. Yep. So what you're doing is you're just double checking. Okay, because checking can help. Okay. Now let's try this one. We've got a bit of a difference here. Okay, we've got 3,286 and we're adding 546. Would I put the 5 there or there? Okay, you've got to remember that that number there is, okay, a hundreds. Okay, it's a hundreds. So I have to match it up to the hundreds. Okay, that's a hundreds there. Okay, so I have to match it up. You can't just put a 5 there and then 4, 6 and then add a 0 in the end. You've always got to match them up. So 5 would go under my 2 because it's in the hundreds column. 546. Okay, then we're going to add it together. So here, start off on your ones. 6 add 6 would give me 12. Go my 2. Now I'm going to exchange my 1. Okay, I'm going to put my 1 into the tens column. My 1 goes there. 8 add 4 gives me 12. Add the 1, 13. 3 add my 1 over. Okay, now because that's 130, going to put my 100 over. 5 add 2. 5, 6, 7. Add the 1, 8. 3 add, well, because there's nothing there, well, nothing represents 0. Okay, there's nothing in there. So with 3 add 0 gives me 3. Okay, 3,832. Okay, well done. If you're going along with me and you're sort of just jumping ahead, that's fine. Okay, so I'm just sort of if you're getting it wrong, hold up on it. Okay, that's the best idea, so we can keep going over it. So when you do go to the questions in a minute, you'll know what you're doing. Okay, so here we've got 5,739. Add 8,435. Now we're doing 4 digits now. Okay, we're adding 4 digits together. Okay, same process. Okay, look at the ones column. Okay, add the ones together. Okay, if you need to use your fingers, if you look at if I've got some year 3s and year 4s on here, year 4s especially, and you're thinking, oh God, maybe I need to slow down a bit. Okay, take your time. Okay, add using your fingers. Okay, double checking, that's the best way. Okay, so 9 add 5 would give me 14. So I'm going to put my 4. My 10s is going to go across. I've now got 30, add 30. So 3 add 3 would give me 6, add the 1 would give me 7. 7 add 4 would give me 11. Put my 1 there. Remember this is 700 add 400. So it give me 1,100. There's my 100. My 1,000 is going to go into the thousands column because I need to add it onto the next one. So I'm now going to do 8 add 5, which will give me 13. Add the 1, which will give me 14. Now that 10,000 is going to go into the 10,000 column, but there's nothing there, is there? So with that one, just going to carry it on down. So you'll end up with 14,174. Okay. Best thing to do, okay, is just to double check it, just to make sure that you've got that right. Okay. Right. It's your turn. Okay. I'd like to grab, okay, a notebook, pen, pencil, whatever you want, okay, and have a go at these. Remember, start with 3-digit here, 4-digit and a 3-digit, and a 4-digit and a 4-digit there. Okay, so pause it now and have a go. Okay, right, we should have had a go, gone through them. There's only 3 questions, that's what I try and do, 3 questions. Not much, okay, it's under 10 minutes, it's nice and quick. Okay, so first one, let's go with the first one. So we've got 653 and 278. Right, add those together. What's 8 add 3? That's 11. Put my 1 over in my tens column. 7 add 5. Go for it, gives me 12. Add the 1 gives me 13. Carry my 1 over because I've just got 50 add 70, which give me, and then add the 10, okay, which will give me 13. Okay, so I'm going to carry that over because that's 100, isn't it? It's 130. So my hundreds carries over. So I've got 600 add 200, add 100. So you've got 6 add 2, which gives me 8. Add the 1 gives me 9. Okay, well done if you got that one. So let's move on to the next one. So 464. And then now, see, it's a bit different here. So remember, you got to add them up. They're the hundreds there. So I'll make sure they add up. So I'm going to do 3,752. Well done if you did that. It doesn't matter which way around it is, okay, because we're adding. So 4 add 2 gives me 6. 6 add 5 gives me 11. So I'm going to put my 1 there, carry my 1 over. 4 add 7, okay, gives me 11. Add the 1, give me 2. Carry my 1 over. 3,000 add 1,000 gives me 4,000, or 3 add 1 gives me 4,000. So 4,216. Right, and the last one, 4-digit add a 4-digit. Well done if you got onto this one. Okay, let's see if we got it right. 4637. So 4 add 7. Okay, it's just knowing your additions. Okay, it's nice and quick. Okay, 7 add 4 gives me 11. Put my 1 over. 3 add 3 gives me 6. Add the 1, 7. 9 add 6 gives me 15. Okay, 5 and the 1 over. 8 add 4 gives me 12. Add the 1, it's 3. 13. Carry my 1 down. 13,571. Well done if you got those all right. Okay, if you didn't, go through them again, do some more of your own, okay, and have a go. Okay, it's just going over it. If you keep going over it, remember, okay, to carry over, exchanging, okay, the 10, the 100, wherever it is, okay, it'll work. Okay, right, super, well done for today. Okay, and I'll see you next one.